Hi guys, if you want to play Friday Night Funkin on PC, here are the quick steps to download and run it properly. First, open Google and type Friday Night. Go to this website itch.io, itch.io. Here you will see different versions Windows, Mac, and Linux. Click download now. Don't worry if you see a price tag here. This is just for charity. So click no thanks, just take me to download. Now click on this and it will start downloading. As you can see, it is downloaded here. Make sure to choose the 64-bit your own operating system version. Once it is downloaded, open file folder and go to your downloads folder and make a folder here. As you can see, this is downloaded already with the name of Funkin or whatever you want. Drag the zip file into that folder and right click and select extract here. This might take a little while depending on your PC speed as well. Inside the folder, go to the Funkin file, double click on it, and that is it. The game will launch and you are ready to play. If it helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you.